Alright guys, got the half shafts out of the hubs. Got all the plastic pieces off. I even got my exhaust off of here. Got everything disconnected. Got these ready to pull out. My rack is secure, so I can drop my subframe, which is all of this coming right out. Got my transmission unmounted, and that's it for this part. Alright, we're back, and I got my subframe ready to come out. Got the skylift in, engine mounted up, and I'm getting ready to drop this bastard. So I'll be back here in a minute with more. We're back. Here goes the subframe. Uh-oh. Still connected. Hold on. Alright. Back. Magic. There's nothing there anymore. Alright, back again, and we're ready to pull it out. When it's out, I'll be back. Yeah, show you guys something. What came out of my transmission. See all these? These are all metal chunkies. Just splinters of all sorts. That's what came out. Plenty more in there, grinding around. Got my torque converter and everything out. That's secure. Shifter cable. We're ready to go. It's out of here. Check that out. Can't really see a whole lot. Big fucking hole. Straight up blew apart. Here's the new one. Back to the old one.